The control spray applies coatings evenly with control and efficiency. It is great for thin materials such as stains and sealers that are used on outdoor projects such as a small deck or refinishing lawn furniture. Adjustable patterns and material flow make the control spray easy to use to get the desired results. Make quick work of your projects with setup taking less than 5 minutes and cleanup in less than 10 minutes. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. HVLP Spray Gun. The Control Spray Stain Sprayer offers control and efficiency when spraying thin materials on small outdoor projects such as patio furniture, small decks, wood decor, and more. Number 2. Achieve the perfect finish. The Control Finish nozzle sprays a smooth, consistent finish and is designed for spraying light-bodied materials such as stain, sealer, urethane, varnish, and enamels. Number 3. 3 spray patterns. Turn the air cap to spray horizontal, vertical, or narrow round to suit the shape of the piece you're spraying. Number 4. Adjustable spray painter. Use the material flow adjustment on the trigger to easily increase or decrease the coating output. Number 5. Get projects done quickly. The sprayer sets up in minutes and cleans up in less than 10 minutes thanks to the simple design and few parts to clean. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.